Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I've made an attempt to put on lashes. It's not perfect, but it's close enough for rock and roll. It's at least something. It's an attempt. I just got to keep practicing, and I thought I would call it out before you would. So welcome to my channel. I am having a huge haul. It's been the season of hauls this month. And let's start with some stuff from Bath & Body Works and Ulta. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm so glad that you're here. Look, I got fancy new hair. Watch out. Fancy new hair. And what we have here, I'm really excited. Since I'm starting to play with lashes more, I bought some lashes from Kiss. And these are Lash Couture. And there's some much bigger lashes than what I'm wearing now. But I'm really down to try to check them out and get familiar with them. I also got some clear lash glue that comes in the liner. I already have the one that is black eyeliner. And it's really super. So I thought I'd get the clear one so that way I can do like special glitter lines and have glitter, because lash glue is what they use on drag queens for glitter. I got a bunch of soaps. There was a soap sale the other day, and I got a bunch of Halloween soaps. Happy Haunting. This is all about fall, y'all. I'm so ready for fall. Then we have Blackberries and Basil, one of my favorites. We have Vampire Blood. Mwah. We have Spooky Nights. It's so spooky. And then we have Ghoul Friend. Why did you have to hurt me so bad? Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't remember how that song goes, but that's how I think it goes. But wait, there's more. There's more and more. I had a Windfall recently, so I've done a lot of shopping. And I have lots of awesome things to show you. That lash is wonky, but I don't mind. I'm just proud that I got it on straight. Now, I'm super excited about this. I'm not a Morphe fan, but the collabs are usually pretty good. And I got the Mitchell collab that is called Main Event 24M Artistry Palette. And it is beautiful. There's another chick that's in the collab, but I don't know her name. But Mitchell made me buy it. And it's totally different than most palettes that I've seen lately. And it's just gorgeous. Like, look at that. That's so beautiful. So pretty. These colors are great. And I look forward to making a look or two from this palette. And I got it from the Morphe site. Then I got from Sephora. There's a bunch of different places I got stuff from. It is Give Me Some Shine. And it is a 5-piece lip gloss and lip balm set. And it was $29. And you get a full-size Fenty lip and a full-size NARS lip balm. And it's very pretty. And I'm getting more into lip balm. I mean, I've always been into lip balm, but more into lip gloss. So I'm going to check this out. I bought some stuff from one of my favorite drag queens, Kimchi. She has her own line of beauty products, and I got her Drama Queen, the Unboring Highlight Palette, and it is beautiful, and it's swatch is very nice. Look at that. Look at those. Those are great. And this, I got this with the 10% discount off. It was like mobile 10. And it's $19 for this. And all these highlights can be used as highlights or glazes. Oh, I don't have any highlight on right now. How could I have missed that? Let's go in with this. Wow. That is to the gods. I can't believe I forgot highlight on this stunning look. Looks good. Awesome, kimchi. And there's more. I don't think I need the box anymore. There was some 9-pan palettes that she had out, and I got 2 of them. I got this one, which is called Juicy 9. I think they're all called Juicy 9, but this is Juicy Velvet. Let me get rid of the boxes. And this is a very, very pretty combination of colors. And I think it'll make some dazzling. Look at that highlight. Damn, kimchi. That is some good stuff. And then there's another palette that I got, and it is called Virgin Mojito. The only thing virgin in my house is this Virgin Mojito. Actually, the cats are all virgins, so they were all fixed before they could get funky. But this is beautiful packaging. And look at this. You know I love the green. And look at her beautiful picture. You know I love greens and yellows, so I can't wait to get into that. Get rid of that box. Also from Sephora, I got a set of Buxom lip plumping glosses, and these were $25, and they're all really good size. So it breaks down to like $5 a piece, but they're a decent size and they're super pretty. And they make your lips plump, plump, plump. And then I got some stuff from Colour Pop. I got these little pens that make hearts. I should totally. That doesn't look good. I think I ruined my face. That doesn't look good. Damn it, Rhonda. Where's your little wipe? I messed that up. I can fix it with some makeup. It'll be fine. I'll add some foundation. But anyway, they make hearts and stars. I guess I should have practiced with them a little bit more before I just stuck it in the middle of my face. But these are super cute. I'm super excited about them. And then I also finally got the Going Coconut palette. And this is going to be part of a dupe for the new Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to use this and brown sugar, which is over here somewhere. And we're going to do some duping with that. So that's awesome. I got this. I had no idea. This is just as big as my Marc Jacobs highlighters. It's from Colour Pop. I didn't know it was going to be so big. Kind of hard to open, but it is gorgioso. Look at that, just beautiful. And I can live with my new highlight collection. I'm not done yet, there's more. I hit the Pat McGrath site and I got the new Pat McGrath, which is the Divine Rose 6-piece eye color, and it is gorgeous. I also got a 3-piece lipstick, and these are the colors, and it's very pretty. And this is on sale for $13. And I got a lip gloss, which is right here in this beautiful box. It's just beautiful. And it'll look great with so many looks. So that's a little Pat McGrath haul there. I still haven't even played with one of my other Pat McGrath palettes. Then I have, oh, this is with Kimchi's. It's a high key gloss, but it's not in a color that looks good on me. I thought it would look good, but yeah, sometimes you can't judge the colors. It's a little too orange for me, but it's very pretty and it'll probably go in a giveaway. And that is it. That is my haul. Fantastic haul. I'm so excited. There's so much stuff to use. I can't wait to use it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And thanks so much for being here. We'll see you real soon.